Hello everyone, welcome back to Update. If you are looking to learn something new for free, you have clicked on the right video. So today we have something exciting news from ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. They have launched the three amazing online courses that you can take from comfort of your home. And yes, they come with a free certificate. So let's dive into the video. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and lot more content will be uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now coming to the video, ISRO has been introduced the three new online courses which are aimed at helping you to develop the valuable skills. These courses are completely free and are designed for anyone who are interested in learning. So whether you are a student, a working professional, or just someone eager to expand your knowledge, these courses are perfect for you. Now let's talk about the details of this course. The first course, that is overview of a geo consumption and as well as geo web services. So this course is scheduled in the month of November 4th. And coming to the second course, that is air pollutants, and this course is also scheduled in the month of November 18th. And the last course, that is RS and as well as GIS application in natural resource management. This course is scheduled in the November 11th, and you can easily join from your mobile phones and as well as computers too. Now each course will cover a different topics. For an example, you will learn about the satellite remote sensing, air pollutant applications, and much more. The sessions will be led by the expert speakers from ISRO who are well experienced in this field. This is a fantastic opportunity to learn from the best. And here is the best part, that is once you complete of any of this course, you will also receive a government verified certificate. This certificate can be great addition to your resume and they can help you to stand out in the job market. To register to this course, the links are there in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will get redirect to this page, and from here you can select which course you want to pursue. So you have chance to learn three courses as well. So first, on which course you want to do. For an example, if you want to do this geo web service, you can simply press on online registration form. Here you can see, and when you press on it, you will get on one pop-up, that is you can press on OK button. Now in this page you need to select the course and wait. Before going ahead, if you do not have account in this ISRO page, you need to first register here and then you need to log in and you can just apply for this course. Until then you cannot have anything to apply for this course. So make sure to register for this thing, and getting login, you can just click on select course and which course you want to select, and you can just press on it. The other details you need to fill up out, and you can going on like what personal details you need to give, education details and professional details, and just preview. Lastly, you will get one preview that what are all the details you have been entered previously. There will be a pop-up will be opened, so you can once you can go through it once that all the details are correct or not, and after that when you press submit button, all the details get submitted, and you'd also get one confirmation mail that you have been applied for this course. This is what you can take the course. And now you might be wondering why online learning is so important. In this today's fast-paced world, having a new skills can open up many doors for you. So whether you want to advance your current jobs or like you want to switch your career, these courses can provide you with the knowledge. So plus, you will be learning online allows you to study at your own pace, so making it easier to fit into your busy schedule as well. Now, I highly encourage you to take this advantage of this opportunity. The free courses from a prestigious organization like ISRO are very rare, and they can significantly enhance your skills. So remember, knowledge is power, and investing in yourself is the best decision in your life. So you can make it. If you found this information helpful, so please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested in this course. So don't forget to subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for more updates on free courses and as well as learning opportunities. So hit that notification bell icon so you'll never miss any update. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have been excited about this course and as I am. So remember, the links of these courses are given in the description box. You can get it over there. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the down. And I would love to hear you. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.